Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel SSRY Knowledge Hub. Learn, practice and grow. Today we are going to learn more 154 letter English words. This is part 2 video. Let's start the video. Join, jump, keep, Kent, kick, king, kiss, kite, knee, not, no, lady, lake, lamb, land, lane, last, late, lead, leaf, lean, leap, left, legs, less, life, lift, like, lily, line, lion, list, leave, load, loan, lock, logo, long, look, loop, loss, loss, loud, love, luck, mail, main, make, mail, mall, many, mark, mask, mate, math, meal, mean, meat, meat, melt, menu, milk, mind, mine, miss, moon, more, most, move, much, nail, name, near, neck, need, nest, news, next, nice, nine, nose, note, open, page, pain, pair, palm, park, part, pass, path, peak, peer, peck, peel, peer, pick, pink, pipe, plan, play, plot, plug, poem, poet, pole, pond, pool, pour, pork, port, post, pull, pump, push, quit, quiz, race, rain, rank, read, real, rest, rice, rich, ride, ring, rice, road, rock, roll, roof, room, root, rope, rose, rule, rush, safe, sail, salt, same, sand, save, seat, seed, seek, sell, send, shop. Well done. In part 1 and part 2 videos, we are learned total 304 letter English words. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SSRY Knowledge Hub. See you in the next video. Bye.